Yes, this is instructional video number 1 on how to dispose of all HVAC trash. You first have to bend your knees and pick it up. And do it again. And then you walk over to the other pile. Again, HVAC trash. Bend your knees, pick it up. Bend your knees, pick it up. Then you head to the dumpster. Pause it. Part 2. Here we are at the dump site, which is step 2 of disposing of HVAC trash. You can see it's a beautiful day here at the dump site. Depending on the wind and depending on the amount of rain, sometimes you have to actually attempt to put it in there. And then that is it. Mission completed.